What is turbulent flow? So I'd like to write a few things down for this as well. Might be neat to have on the board for future examples. Okay, so turbulent flow. The first word that comes to my mind is chaotic. Maybe another word would be like irregular. Moreover, in contrast to a laminar flow, you can't describe this with flow lines. So maybe I'll just say here, not described. Could even say describable, I think, but I'll just say not described by flow lines. You can't really do it, which is not so great for doing things like making predictions with it. There also tends to be vortices or vortex motion, or sometimes also called vorticity. So I think I'm just going to say here can include random vortex flows. Or I'll just say random vortices for short. In the key concepts slide, when we were looking at that, I mentioned that there are some other novel kind of vortex flows, and not all of those are exactly what you would describe as turbulent flow, but they're also not laminar flow, and that's because there are examples of vortex flow where it's not random, it's not chaotic or irregular. It actually does predictable things, and some of those are quite novel and interesting, and they're difficult to deal with mathematically, but a number of those have been studied and are understood. So I just want to mention that. But the two extremes we're looking at here, again, are laminar flow and turbulent flow. Let's go ahead and check out how this list relates to the answer here. It says turbulent flow describes more chaotic flow with an irregular pattern. Typically, it includes regions where the fluid flows circularly in little vortices. But like I said, that may be there to greater or lesser extents, I think is what I want to say.